name's Keith, welcome back to the shed. I want to do a video on the XJ600 part 3. Need to remove the front and rear brake assemblies. I want to take the front and rear wheel off, and I want to remove the clutch and accelerator assemblies too. I won't have time to remove the yokes and the forks in this video. I think that needs to be something on its own. But hopefully you'll enjoy the content. Hopefully it's not too long. Try and put a bit of music to it to keep you from falling asleep. But if you can take anything from it, then that's brilliant. And obviously if you've got any comments or you feel there's anything you can add, then they're welcome too. So I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoy putting it together. And yeah, thanks for watching. Let's go.
Pads don't look too bad, to be fair, on them. Look okay. Obviously on this it's ideal if you want to take the pressure off the wheel, but I'm just knocking it through to start with before I do that. It's a copper mallet, just not to do any damage to the caliper. Obviously it's been on there some time, so I just need something to help me ease it off. is really rusty, so I'll just put a bit of WD-40 on, because that clutch isn't coming off at the minute, so I'll just give it a rub down. Won't take a lot, it's just water been sat under there for a while. It's a bit mucky. But already I can feel that's better, so should be okay to get it off now. Way better. Look at that. Again.